Here's another Maya quick tip. When you're working in a scene that has large amount of objects that you need to create, say like forests or large temples, one of the better ways to create some of those objects is to use what are called instances. So for instance, we have our temple pillars here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select both the pillars. I'm going to go to Edit, Duplicate Special, Options box. I'm going to go ahead and set the number of copies I want. So I'm going to say I want 6 copies. And then the only thing that we need to make sure is changed is the geometry type. We're going to be creating an instance. When you hit apply, it's going to do the same thing that it normally does. You can see we now have an entire range of pillars. But the trick to this is, now say instead of having just straight up pillars, you wanted to create some sort of arch. You can go to your original pillar. You can go to vertex, select the vertices, and you can see that it selects them across all instances. At this point now, when you drag and adjust, it's going to change every single one of them. This is really nice for adjusting larger scenes that have tons of objects that may be the same that need minor adjustment. There are some limitations to this, however. Things like scale and movement do not work. So if I move this, it's still going to be usable. It's still going to affect the instances. However, the instances will not move with